In today's video, we are going to show you how to join an Apple Music family plan using an Android device. The process is straightforward, and all you need is the Apple account that receives the family invitation. So the first thing that you need to do is open the Google Play Store on your Android phone, search for Apple Music, and make sure the app is installed and updated to the latest available version. Now, if you already have the Apple Music installed, simply open the app. Next, I want you to log in or sign in using the Apple account email address that received the family invitation. This is important because the invitation is associated with that specific Apple account. Now, I want you to go to your email or text messages and find the invitation to join the Apple Music family plan. Open the message and tap the invitation link. If Android asks which app you want to use to open the link, select Apple Music. The invitation should open then, and it will display the details of the family membership. And of course, look for the option labeled Accept or Join Family and tap to continue. You may be asked to sign in with your Apple account if prompted. Complete the sign-in process and follow the on-screen instructions. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can join an Apple Music family plan directly from your Android device. Just remember to use the same Apple account that received the invitation. Otherwise, the invitation may not work correctly. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.